I'm always skeptical when I see something that's labeled cold mix that's a permanent repair. I'm Justin Springhetti. I'm one of the Fairfax Maintenance Operation Managers for Northern Virginia District. I've been with VDOT for since 2005, so 18 years this year. Me and my team, we're a section of VDOT maintenance, so we maintain public roadways, anywhere from potholes to patch repairs. The problem that we ran into with cold mix asphalt is, it is a temporary repair and it will get us by in an emergency situation. It just has a very short lifeline on the road. If the ground's wet or there's any debris or anything along those lines, it doesn't hold. We're usually back several times, especially in the cold winter months, to refill the same holes over and over. I used EZ Street originally because it came to me as, we're gonna team you up with this guy from Superior, we wanna try some new product and see how it holds up. We filled potholes in 3 different locations, everything from surface break to edge of pavement repairs, edge break-offs, which are known to be some of our hardest to fix. They all held in place. None of them slipped, none of them came out. I was very surprised. The crews so far, they've liked it. It's been easy to work with. I think it's gonna save some repeat work. We're not gonna go to the same holes as often. As anybody knows, with traditional hot mix, it typically holds the best, but it's only available 8 months out the year. EZ Street is a permanent cold mix.
It's not cold mix, it's ambient.